Hey guys, wanna know how to change your news language in MetaTrader? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your MetaTrader 5 application. Now, make sure you know that you cannot directly change any news or notification languages easily. What you can do is you can change the interface language. So what you can do is on the top left, hit towards this hamburger icon right here and then select settings. Now under here you can see interface right here, and right here you can see language. So simply enter and then select any language that you want to view. Now for me, let's say it's Spanish, and after that is done, there you go. Your language has been automatically changed to Spanish. Now everything including notifications and news will be coming up in Spanish. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.